back to another cooking video. Hope you all are well. If it's your first time here, my name is Zainab and thank you so much for clicking in this video. For my returning, I appreciate you guys so much and I love you guys so much. Thank you all for returning and check on your sister. So next week is Eid. I decided to be sharing with you guys Eid recipes, ideas. On previous video, I make lamb curry. So I'm going to put the link somewhere here. Make sure you check it out. That recipe is so perfect for Eid. And yeah, today we're going to be making chicken tikka. Hope you guys enjoy watching this video. If you do, don't forget to give your sister a nice thumbs up, share with family and friends, and of course, let's get started. Okay guys, here is a full chicken which I divided in 4 pieces. So now I'm going to give a big cut so the spices gonna be easily penetrate in the chicken. Now I'm going to set this aside and prepare the spices. And as you can see, I have already my chicken tikka spicy. I bought this spicy from Indian supermarket. You can get also in Pakistan stores. It's not everyone can get this type of spice, the SHAN spices. I'm going to put on screen what spices you should mix it to make your chicken tikka spices. Okay, this is the bowl where I'm gonna mix everything. I'm gonna start by adding my 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt, and then I'm gonna add some oil. It's about 3 tablespoons of oil. Okay, next I'm going to squeeze this lemon juice in here. Okay, now I'm going to add this SHAN chicken tikka masala. Now I need some chili powder. I need salt also, so 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. Next, I'm gonna add some food color. This is a egg yellow food color. If you get the red one, it's gonna be much better. But because I don't have, I'm gonna just use this one. Okay, now I'm going to mix everything together and make a paste. The paste is ready. Now I'm going to apply into the chicken pieces. Okay, now I'm gonna put it in this bowl, all the pieces. Okay, now I'm gonna just cover and marinate for about 2 hours. Okay guys, it's happy 2 hours, so now it's time to grill our chicken, and I'm going to line up the chicken in this tray. Okay guys, our our chicken tikka is done. Our chicken tikka is done, and the taste I cannot explain, but I can just say this chicken tikka, it's so tasty, so delicious. Anyways guys, if you did like this recipe, don't forget to give your sister a nice thumbs up and try, okay? Try out and let me know how it came out. As I said, if you don't have chicken tikka masala, it's not a problem. The spices which you have to mix it to be your chicken tikka masala, okay? So I'm going to put on the description box and also on the screen somewhere, and yeah, you can just go ahead and make this recipe, okay? Thank you all for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Oh, this smells so good. I can't wait to eat. I'm going to put my table. Bye.